Good morning. Happy Vlogmas day 20. 5 more days to Christmas, guys. I cannot believe it. This month has just flown by and I am up bright and early. You can see the sun is just starting to peek into my room because I am packing for Puerto Vallarta. We are leaving in 2 hours for the airport, so I need to get this done and I've barely gotten started. You guys can see it's kind of just a big mess on my bed. I'm not the most organized packer, but it works for me. It's basically I make a bunch of piles of things that I need and then I downsize and kind of edit back and then throw it all in a suitcase. So we're gonna do that. Okay, update, I need to hurry. So I put all of my t-shirts in here. There's about 6, and then I have 1 pair of shorts and 1 pair of jeans. This is my toiletry bag. You can see I have my face wash from my Cyber Monday haul, my vitamin C serum, my eye cream, my moisturizer, my razor. And here is my toothbrush and its charger and an extra bristle and my toothpaste. And then this is the stuff I got at Target. So I need to go through this still. Let's just dump it out. All the stuff from Target. You guys didn't see, but I actually stopped at Ulta and picked up a new In Bloom Tartelette palette because mine is on its last leg and these were half off, so I got this for $19 and I had a coupon, and so I got it for, I think the total was like $16 and I picked it up. I ordered online with pickup because shipping was like $5 and I was like, no, I'm just gonna go get it. So I'm really excited to have this. I have to open up these, and these are all just little toiletries I got last night at Target, so I'm gonna put them into all the little pouches, and you guys know I love pouches, so I'm gonna get all this situated and I'll update you. Okay, so I just wanna do a quick run through of everything that I'm packing so you guys can see. I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, suitcase is nearly done. My packing cubes have seen better days. The zippers are starting to break, but these are all my t-shirts. This is socks, underwear, and bathing suits. I got a beanie right here, a pair of shorts, pair of jeans. You go to this side, this is my makeup bag. My little tiny foldable amazing blow dryer. I got this in Ireland forever ago. My toiletries, including lots of sunscreen, makeup wipes are just kind of floating on top. This is my electric toothbrush. There's a straightener down there with my crazy outlet converter. This is the stuff that's going in my carry-on. This bag has all my cords, electronics, camera chargers, extra batteries, things like that. External hard drive so I can get some editing done while I'm traveling. Noise canceling headphones, external battery, box of delicious nut-filled Cliff Bars, sweatshirt, my brush, wallet with my passport in it, and my camera, and then of course my lovely travel pillow. And that's it, guys. I don't bring that much. Mom got breakfast burritos.
I actually went into CVS and Cotihan in my pajamas like this.
She looks so cute. She went and got us burritos. She went into a store just like this.
To get my flonase.
And she's ready for Mexico, guys.
Good?
So good. Thank you.
So good.
Got a little OOTD situation here. These are my Aloe leggings that I got on Black Friday. You guys have seen those. I'm obsessed with them. I've been living in them. This is like an older sweater that's kind of like long and flowy, and I wear it. This is pretty much what I always wear on a plane. This like doubles as a blanket because it's so big, so I can just like wrap myself in it, and then just like a really comfy black t-shirt. I have my San Diego Padres baseball hat because I don't want to have to pack it, so I'll just wear it on the plane. And then I have my little rolly suitcase guy, and I'm wearing my Vans that I've been living in because I love them. So heading to Mexico. I didn't mention this before, but we are driving down to the San Diego Tijuana airport. But what we're doing is we have to walk across the border into the Tijuana airport, and then we're flying from there to Puerto Vallarta. So it'll be a little bit of an adventure crossing the border through the airport. I've done it once before, but I don't think I've ever documented it, so I'll show you guys how that's done. It's a cool experience, definitely different, but it's way more affordable to fly anywhere in Mexico from Tijuana than it is out of San Diego, so it's definitely worth it. So yeah, we're gonna go. See you there. right, we're at the border crossing. Now we need to go get checked in and then walk the bridge. Now we're standing in line to check in to go across the bridge with our passports, our immigration stuff, and our tickets across the bridge. So now we're going right now. He's back. Uh-oh. On the bridge. We are crossing the bridge, heading into Mexico. My phone already thinks we're in Mexico, but almost there. This is cool, nice and bright in here. This is some good lighting. How pretty we look. God, security was crazy. So we got through customs and we got into customs and we all had to get visas because we're staying longer than 7 days. Apparently you have to have a visiting permit or a visa and it's $30. So you go back in line, get that. I couldn't film any of that because you're not allowed to film or have your phone out in customs at all. But now we've made it through security. The line to check in was a pain. We had to end up checking my dad's fishing pole because they wouldn't let him carry it, even though it was like collapsible and fit in a backpack. They wouldn't let it through security, so we had to check that. We finally made it through security. We are in the terminal and our flight leaves in 20 minutes, so it's like crazy, crazy good timing, but we are heading in now and I'm like, oh, we have to get on the plane. I realized why I'm having such a hard time today. I didn't have any coffee. We made coffee this morning, drank it all before I could get any. So hitting Starbucks and then the flight and then Mexico. I always forget that in South American countries, they cannot say my name. Like, they don't understand it. It's like Heather is just not a name in Spanish. Half the time they think I say heaven, and then I'm like, no. So I had to spell my name for him, and I spelled it in Spanish, and it's H-A-T-H-A-R-E. I have it down because I've had to do it so many times, and he still, I don't know if you guys can read, that says heater. He was close. And even when the guy like went to call my name to be like, oh, your drink's ready, he was like, is someone? And I was like, yeah, it's Heather. And he's like, what? I'm used to it, but it's still always kind of amusing. But we gotta board our plane, but at least I got some coffee. Here we come. Here we go. Mexico. So my brother went to go get food and he's still waiting for the food and we are getting on the plane, so we may have to leave my brother in TJ. Merry Christmas, Sean. Sorry we left you in Mexico.
He's familiar with Ray's airports as well as Mexico.
Yeah, he knows what's up. But still, we're boarding, boarding, and he's not here. Waiting for a chicken sandwich. Okay, quick update. My brother made it on the plane, and he brought me French fries. Or
Thank you for choosing us and welcome you to Puerto Vallarta with a temperature of 26 Celsius.
we're here. Touchdown, Puerto Vallarta. So I did a carry-on. My bag's right here. We have to wait for luggage because my mom's bag was too big, and they made us check my dad's fishing pole. It's not that it was very big or anything, it's just an odd shape. So they made us check it. So now we're just sitting here waiting for all the luggage with everybody else. But then we're gonna get to the resort. I just wanna get there. So close. Just wanna get there and chill. I'm so excited. And they lost my dad's fishing pole. So now we're running around the airport trying to figure out where the heck to get it back. If anything, he'll just get money for it, but that really sucks. We knew it. The minute they pulled it out of his backpack, they're like, you can't take this, you have to check it. We're like, the thing's gone. Keep you updated. Still your fishing pole. $400 stick of fishing pole.
Misplaced it. Plus they took $50.
Yeah, they charged us $50 to then steal or lose or whatever his $400 fishing pole.
Fly rod.
It's a fly rod. It's a fancy one. Not cool, guys. Not cool. Now we're just waiting for someone from the airline to come talk to us. But apparently they all went home for the night. We're just hanging out in the airport. Super fun. And of course they're all like trying to sell us like scuba diving excursions and zip lining excursions, and my dad's over here like, no, I just want my fishing pole. We don't want to buy anything. We had a direct flight, so either it never got on the plane, it's still on the plane, or someone stole it. Either way, it's not here and we're still here waiting. We made it. That was a crazy cab ride. Basically took us to the wrong hotel and then couldn't turn around because of all the traffic. So we just had to walk with all the suitcases, and my dad's suitcase broke, and it has just been such a travel day. All right, guys, we finally made it into the room and I am so wiped out. I will give you a full room tour tomorrow and show you the whole resort. But right now we are gonna go find some food and then pass out because it has been such a long travel day. Did not anticipate being at the airport that long. It just took forever with the fishing pole and everything getting lost, and everything was just like a big mess, and 2 really long days in a row. So you know what? I'm gonna call it, and I will show you everything tomorrow because this resort has so many cool things. I give you like a little sneak peek today, but I will show you the rest of it in the morning. So with that, guys, I will see you tomorrow.